Good morning. Today is Friday, August 1st, 2025. I am here at Anode Marina, and this is a before video of Elisabeth. There is a lot of growth, but it does look like it comes off easy. I did see that there is a color zinc. I can't get the size on it, or couldn't get it yet, so I'm going to try and see if I can get it after I'm done cleaning it. And it also looks like there is a max prop zinc, probably a 73. But I'm going to go ahead and clean it and see if I can find any other details.